Shalom Aleichem. On Sunday, there'll be a game, the World Cup final game, where the whole world would be glued to the screens to watch and see who's going to be the world champion. Is a Jew allowed to watch those games? This question is a twofold question. One, are you allowed to watch it all together during the year? And secondly, can you watch it on Shavua Shechal Bo right before Tisha B'Av? During the year, we have a Gemara in Avodah Zarah, Yudchet, that says that one is not allowed to go to a stadium to watch the clowns, to watch circuses, to watch anything like that. One should avoid that. It's Bitul Torah, says the Gemara. It brings also to Bitul Torah, which means not only that it's in essence Bitul Torah, but it causes you also in the future to stop want to learn also because you get involved with nonsense like that. That is one reason that one should avoid watching those games. But even more so, this is definitely not the Jewish way, the Torah way, because we know that that was the ideas that the Greeks brought to the world and the Maccabim were fighting against. Secondly, if one wants to know the score and is going to watch anyway, there's a difference between knowing the score and watching the game. Knowing the score is just like finding out any other piece of news. You want to know what the news, what happens in the world. You can find out what the world, what's happening in the world. You can find out also what the score is. Again, only if a person is involved in such nonsense. But watching the game itself on Shavua Shechal Bo, a few days before Tisha B'Av, it's more of a problem. Why? The excitement of the World Cup has a unique way of bringing out powerful emotions. Every attack, every save, and especially every goal can fulfill a person with joy. When a team scores and it's a team that he's cheering, he wants to win, he gets very excited, he cheers, he's happy, and every save that the team that he likes saves also gives him a lot of happiness. So throughout the whole game, that can take a couple of hours, a person is very, very involved in this emotionally, is sitting glued to the screen. That's something that's not correct on few levels, as we explained, but also in Shavua Shechal Bo, one definitely needs to avoid that. It's not correct. So if one really needs to know the score, it's one thing of finding out the score, but one should definitely not be sitting in front of a screen and being involved in this few days before Tisha B'Av, and shouldn't do it also throughout the year.